guys, I'm very excited because today we're gonna try some makeup hacks I saw on TikTok recently. So guys, the thing with makeup hacks is that I know there are some good ones out there and we could easily learn something new, but most of the times makeup hacks are a disaster. I don't really know if people actually do those hacks every time they do their makeup, but I believe that most of them are like so let's see what we have today and see if those hacks actually work. Okay, so the first one is not something crazy, like I've seen people do this before.
Use your brow gel before you do your base so that you don't get any foundation or concealer in it and end up with product buildup.
Okay, so we're gonna start with brow gel. I used to do my makeup like this. I used to start with my eyebrows first and then I would do the rest of my face. But the reason I stopped doing this is because it was so difficult to apply foundation around my brows. Like every time I would go close to my brows with my foundation brush, I was so scared that I would ruin them. So that's why I changed the order I do my makeup. Now I start with my face and then I do my eyebrows, and to be honest, it's working very well with me. But of course I can totally understand this hack to set your brows first. Okay, I will also fill my brows with the brow pencil a little bit. Okay, so this next hack says how to avoid cakey face. I'm all about the natural and glowy skin. I don't like a cakey face on me. So let's see what she recommends. Okay, I'm laughing because I can understand the Vaseline, like we probably use it as a primer, but the water at the end, I don't know, it's not giving for me. Speaking of water, let's have a sip or two. Okay, I have the Vaseline here. I know the Vaseline is not the craziest thing to put on your skin. Okay, it feels nice, not gonna lie. It actually could work as a primer, but also it feels kind of sticky, like I don't know if the foundation will look good on top. Okay, I have my foundation here, I'm gonna use this one. Ooh, guys, I'm very impressed, like it actually looks really good. We still have the glow on the skin and you can blend the foundation very easily. This is the part I was talking about earlier with the eyebrows, that you have to be very careful when you apply foundation around the brows. So that's why I always do my face first and then my brows. Guys, Vaseline is a big yes for me, like my skin is glowing right now. So now we will see about the water situation. So I have a little bit of water here and I have this triangle powder puff. Okay, I don't really want to do it. I feel like it will ruin the foundation. Okay guys, to be honest, I have mixed feelings about this. I can tell the water gives some hydration and the key here is to avoid a cakey skin. But on the other hand, I feel like Vaseline gave a really nice glow. Like we didn't have a heavy or cakey finish. I feel like water smudges the foundation a little bit. We're moving on.
Okay, this hack is a game changer. Use a setting spray on your brush before concealer and apply it underneath your eyes. Then apply your concealer like usual, blend it out, and then set it with the same setting spray. By sandwiching it between the setting sprays, it's gonna make sure it lasts and you don't have to use powder.
Okay, if this next step actually works, it's already a big yes for me because I don't have a really good relationship with powder. I don't really like it. I can do a little bit of powder like here and there to set my concealer, but I don't really like it all over my face. It makes your skin look kind of cakey and heavy and the matte finish is not the vibe that I'm going for. Okay, I'm gonna use this small brush here. I have my setting spray. So we're setting the area first. I will also set the areas that I usually put concealer. So here around the nose and here. Okay, then we use concealer like we usually do. I don't know why, but I believe that this hack would actually work. Then with the same brush, we're gonna blend it out. And again, we're gonna use some setting spray. And we're gonna set the concealer for one more time. Okay, I really like how it looks, and then we still have the glow under the eyes. So hopefully it will stay like this and it won't crease.
The traditional 3-stripe highlight blush contour it looks kind of disconnected and you end up with a very highlighty cheek and a lower blush. Instead, let's do the triangle of blush, highlight in the middle of the contour. You get a more connected, lifted, glowy vibe.
I also don't really like the traditional three stripes. I've tried it before and I can tell that it's not working. It doesn't look good on the skin. So let's try the other one. So we have the contour, the highlighter in the middle, and the blush on top. Next I will do the liquid blush. Okay, and for highlighter I'm gonna use this illuminator. I have in the dark shade, so I won't use too much. I love it. Like, the color we created with these three products is unbelievable. I think I will do a little bit more blush. Okay, next we're gonna contour the rest of our face like Victoria Beckham. She's talking about slimming the nose and she also likes a more sculpted look. And I'm here for it, so let's see what she does.
So I always start by slimming down my nose. So I'm literally going to draw 2 lines either side of my nose to really shade down the sides. So and then I do a little V on my nose and I shade down here as well. And then I'm going to do 2 crosses. And then whilst I've got the product out, what I do is I do a very light dusting under the eye. Because what this does...
Okay, I will go straight to the forehead because I have already contoured on my cheeks. Should we draw across? And now for the nose, she creates a V here. And we also have a straight line on the other side. And we also have the jawline. Okay, we have created a really nice shadow on the forehead and we gave a really nice color. But I have a big forehead, so I could definitely use a little bit more product on my forehead. I just realized that I didn't contour my eyelids and underneath my eyes. And for my nose, I'm gonna use a smaller serpent brush like this. Okay, I really like how it looks. I will definitely keep the nose contour and the eyes contour. The only thing I would say is that I need more color on my forehead, but this is personal because I have a big forehead. Okay, so this next hack, I can feel already that it won't work with me. Even if it's working in general, I couldn't make it work.
I'm drawing mine here. And we're going to put it into the corner of the eye and we're just going to pull it out.
I don't know what I was thinking when I saved this video. Okay, we have the dot here. I don't think it's working. If I take an angled brush and fix it, okay, it's not that bad. Actually, it is. You can't even tell that it's there. Okay, so next I'm gonna do a little bit of mascara. There's no hack here, just make sure that you curl your lashes with an eye curler and then use a nice mascara to help you create long and thick lashes. Okay, so we're about to follow the last makeup hack for today's video. It's about our lips, how to overline our lips the right way. So let's see. Okay, so we overline only the middle part of our lips and then we follow the natural shape of our lips. And on top I'm gonna use this lip balm, my all-time favorite. Okay guys, so here we have the final result. So guys, that's all I have for today. I would definitely create a part 2 of today's video. I really liked it. I had so much fun. Write me in the comments below if you will try any of these makeup hacks. I can tell that we had some good ones. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. You can also follow me on other platforms. I will have them linked in the description box, and I will hopefully see you to my next video.